Welcome back to another video, and guess what? Apex have got their 90% discount, 90% discount off a funded program, and you can get it right now. It's like a Black Friday deal. It's on for another few days, 90% off. This is brilliant. You can get a 50k evaluation for less than $20. That's just unreal. Now, I've got myself a few of these accounts. I'm going to be trading them, and I'm going to be using my Farm Pro indicator, but you don't need to. So I'll show you how you can use, just looking at the charts, use my strategy without paying for any fancy indicators. I only use the indicator because I had it developed just to make my life a little bit easier because I'm lazy. But if you're not lazy and you want to learn how to do this without paying for anything, then watch this video because I will show you how you can. And you can get these Apex accounts as well. Use the discount code, which you'll see in a minute, and then yeah, get some of these accounts and see if you could have a really good Christmas this year. Right, on with the video. Okay, so here we are on the Nasdaq on the 32nd. I like using the 30-second chart. People go, Paul, it's crazy. Why are you using 30-second? But I just like it. More setups. I like it. NQ, I love NQ as well. So if you do sign up for an evaluation, this is what I do to get funded. All right, and it works really well. I'm using my Farm Pro indicator at the minute, but I'm going to tell you don't need to buy. It's not a video telling you to buy an indicator from me because that's not what this is. I'm going to tell you what you need to look out for without the need to use an indicator. So there's loads of different things on here. So for instance, down here we've got a little white dot on the top of that candle, and the white dot, all that is signifying is that you've got an inside bar, all right, but not just one inside bar. There's a minimum of 2 inside bars, okay, and then when you get 2 inside bars, you get a little dot, and then all I will do is I will put a buy stop above the high because I'm above a 200 period exponential moving average. Buy stop, get triggered in, stop is below. Wow, look at that. Profit, profit, profit. That's what they say. There's another one. Buy stop above there. Off it goes. Let's find some chop. So we've got some chop up here. Now, you'd put a buy stop at the top because we're above the EMA. I wouldn't be putting a sell stop below, but you can if you want. You need to back test and see what works for you. Drops off like a stone. Look at that, all the way down. You're getting lots of profit out of that one. This one here as well. Buy stop above. Up it goes. Here's one that doesn't do so well. Buy stop above. Hits the stop loss. So you're always going to get trades which don't work out. All right, always. But the point with this one is the risk to reward on each trade that you take is a minimum of 2 to 1, and you win a high proportion of times. So remember, if you're doing 2 to 1, you only need to win what, 40% of the time to break even. You get a better 70 or 80% win rate out of this. This one here, buy stop, takes a while, triggers, off it goes. This one, buy stop, takes a while, triggers, off it goes. That might stop you out though. But if you go, let's have a look actually, I don't know. Will it stop you out? If you go 1 to 1, break even. Yes, you get a 1.5. So if at 1 to 1 you go break even, you're going to come out at break even on that trade. And we can keep going. Nothing on that one. If you wanted to take a sell stop at the bottom of that candle, down it goes. Nothing above, sell stop at the bottom, down it goes. So as you can see, this works really, really quite well. I love this indicator, the dot. I just love it. I think it just makes life so, so easy. So you get yourself an Apex funded account, 90% off, so $20 for an account. Use the code that's at the bottom here to get that discount. It's a great deal. It's not going to be on for very long. And then you don't need this Farm Pro indicator, right? You do not need this. You just need to look for a minimum of 2 inside bars. And as soon as you see 2 inside bars, you take a trade at the trigger candle high or low, a buy or sell stop. That's all you need to do. You don't need the indicator. The indicator just makes life just a little bit easier. All right. If you want the indicator, you can get it. There's a link in the description, but this is not a shilling video. I'm not shilling you the indicator. I've shown you how you can trade this without an indicator using the same logic that the indicator uses. It just makes life just that little bit easier. So yeah, that's it. There's other bits on it like these arrows and stuff, but that's for another video. This is for me, my Apex scalping. The strategy works really, really well. You hopefully be funded by adopting a strategy like this using good money management skills. And then happy days, away you go. Anyway, if you want that, sign up for it pretty quick because it's not going to be around for much longer, and 90% is pretty substantial in terms of discounts. And that's it. I'll see you on the next video. Like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and thanks for watching.